express our feelings through gestures or through hand or through anything. We express our feelings through cares and through help. Boys are better because we not only manage 2 to 3 houses, we manage many houses in all the relations. We understand all the relations, and we have to manage all the relations. So boys are better.
As you said that boys have to manage many houses and many other things, so they are better. I think the same point even she is mentioning, that even girls manage 2 different houses, in-laws, children and everyone, still they don't get that appreciation. So somewhere she is putting her point, exactly the same point you are also putting. But what I learned from your speech is that because of that boys get attention, they get appreciation, but girls they don't get. So what do you have to say in this? Like what she's saying, is she correct that despite doing all the things for 2 families, for the children, still the girls are not getting that appreciation that they should get?
The point of appreciation is that we appreciate girls, but due to conditioning and due to some circumstances, we do not express our feelings through gestures or by hand or anything else. We express our feelings through care, through help, through respect.
But girls are household work and part-time job. But boys are not household work.
We are not managing household work, but we are managing the market things. Apart from our business or profession or job, we are managing the market. In my perspective, this is more vast thing than household work. Household work is like that, from morning till evening the girls have to do, but we have to manage our relations in market. We have to act as a whole person, as a whole family in front of market.
Men cannot depend on men for money and other safety reason and other point.
I do not agree, but today and present day women are not dependent of men, money and other things, because women self-dependent with others.
Men depend on men of the decision dependent men.
Both the teams, like the boys and girls, they are not like saying that even the girls are less or the boys are high. But one thing is common, that the boys, they don't want to sit at home, whether you take it as a gender equality or you take it as a male ego. I don't want to comment on that, but they don't want to sit at home. I want to ask you one question, Rishabh, as you correctly said, because I can see that you are being fair to both, dominating the girls also, and you're not, but somehow, somewhere, you are making sure that boys should be above them, even in your talk and everything. I just want to ask you a simple question, or rather I want to give you a scenario. After marriage, if your wife tells you that from today I'll manage everything, I'll manage the family, I'll manage the household things also, I'll manage outside also, the job, you remain at home, if she'll be capable also. So in this point, will you agree being fair to the humanity, or your male ego will come in front?
In this, I want to say that firstly, I want to ask her that what she need. Firstly, the things she needed, I will provide her. If she needed even the food, not only the house, the big houses or the villas, she even needed the BMWs or Mercedes or Porsche, I will provide her. I will tell her that remain in the house. I will provide you everything which you will be required. Not only I will fulfill your requirement, I will fulfill all your dreams and all your things. But you remain in the house, you take care of the children, and if you remain in the house, you can also do some rest.
Your wife tells you the same thing, you remain at home, I'll provide you everything, I'll provide you all the materials. If you want BMW, I'll give you. If you want money, I'll give you all the necessary clothes and everything. you remain at home, you manage the kids, I'll take care of the outside. Will you be ready?
That is my love for her to take care of the children. That is my love for her to do the rest in the house.
Same thing. That I love my husband, he should remain at home, he should be free, I'll work for her or for him. So in this scenario, in these circumstances, will you say, okay, fine, you go ahead, I'll remain at home, I'll take care of the kids, I'll take care of the house also, sometimes I'll cook also.
Yes,
Will you say this? This is my question. You're not answering it clearly actually, but you are very diplomatically and smartly you are putting it.
Sir,
Keep taking
I
out. And they both have that caliber to go outside and earn money. So in these circumstances, in these scenarios, what would you do at the end? Will you let her go?
At the end, I take the responsibility of my business.
Okay.
I take the responsibility of the market.
Okay.
I give the responsibility of the relations, which is as I am Marwadi, so I know that what is the weight of that responsibility of relations. So it carries more weight than anything else in the whole life. So I give responsibility of that you manage all the relations of all the families.
But you don't have to earn money.
But
Only
you
I
have
have.
to, I will earn the money and I will do the business.
Business will be managed by you only. That is one point which is like which I
Yes, business should be
Managed by you.
by बच्चों को कैसे पढ़ाना है, क्या डिस्टेंस लेना है, कौन से स्कूल में भेजना, तुम समझो. बिजनेस टीम है, पैसा तुमको चाहिए, मैं प्रोवाइड करूँगा.
कहीं ना कहीं आपको नहीं लगता कहीं ना कहीं इसमें एक थोड़ा सा मेल ईगो आ गया.
कहीं ना कहीं मेल्स डोमिनेट करते हैं ओवर फीमेल्स. अगर वो बिजनेस करेगी या जॉब करेगी या प्रोफेशन करेगी तो उसको बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम से आज फेस करनी पड़ेगी एज कम्पेयर टू मेल्स.
So you don't want her to face those problems.
Yes, sir.
That's
I
why
do
I'm
not
saying.
want to face that problem. I do not want her to face problems. और कहीं ना कहीं as a security point of view, because I am the leader or I am the head of my family, so कहीं ना कहीं security point of view से भी मुझको ऐसा लगता है कि मार्केट में जाना उसके लिए ज़्यादा डेंजरस है और रिलेशंस में रहना उसके लिए ज़्यादा सिक्योर, बिकॉज वो अपनों के बीच में कम से कम रहेगी. मगर मैं दूसरों के बीच में रहूंगा जिनका कोई अता पता नहीं है, जिनका मुझको कोई अता पता नहीं है कि उनका बैकग्राउंड क्या है कि क्या नहीं, वो उनके बीच में रहेगी. इफ आई वांटेड हर टू डू द बिजनेस.
तो कहीं ना कहीं ये करके तो आपने कमजोर तो दिखा दी लड़की को.
रिश्तेदारी कम नहीं होती, बिजनेस से आज ऊपर होती रिश्तेदारी. आज यहाँ जाना है, वहाँ जाना है, कल वहाँ जाना है.
सर ये सही नहीं होना बिजनेस तो भाई मैनेज करो तुम बाकी.
I'm saying.
So where this the question is that, so are we ready to give that particular responsibility?
Not believe other people who is
You don't believe other people.
who is wrong.
So that's it. He said that no, I cannot believe other people whether they are right or wrong. Same thing applies to you also. Even your wife cannot believe other girls.
I will allow her to do the business. At the same time, we have to manage the house also,
Okay.
the relations also. We both manage.
Makes sense. But what he's saying is, he's saying take care of the business. I'll make another cabin for her in my same office. This is my cabin, this is your cabin. We both will manage. At the same time, we both will manage family also.
For yourself.
And if after 1 year you found that your wife is more like knowledgeable than you in the business, she's more like fast than you in the business, how will you take that?
Okay, if you are fast, then go on.
I'll sit at home.
No, I am doing my business.
Okay, I'll still do.
I will still do. If you are earning in crores, so I am earning in lakhs now.
Ultimately, what I can understand that I won't sit at home. If you want to come to office, you come. But I won't sit at home. I won't sit at home and take care of the kids.
And if you want
I'll walk.
to
This is
help, if you wanted me to help in the household also, I can help.
Okay, but I won't sit at home.
Yes.
This is the point actually.
Yes.
Because even if you're sitting at home, now you're doing the same thing what earlier the girl was doing. You're also not sitting and eating. You're also working at home. Now you're
Working
taking care
at
of the
home,
kids
sir.
and everything.
But-
But still you don't want to sit at home. This is the main point that we have.
I do not want to sit in a home. I want to make more and more contribution for my family.
So you're doing it sitting at home also. You're
But
taking up the relatives, you're taking up the kids, you're taking up the household things. You're contributing. How can you
I'm
see that?
contributing, sir, but less contribution than the business things. But the less contribution than the business things.
Now I think somewhere the male ego has actually come. The male ego has somewhere it has come.
Actually,
again I repeat. What I said, see, he only said that a woman, a girl who's sitting at home, who's managing household things, it's not that she's just sitting and eating. She's contributing with the household things. Okay, so we have respect for her. But if the same thing applies to you, now you have to do the same thing what a woman is doing. You have to sit at home, you have to do the household things, and then you eat. Prestigious food you eat. So then, but we are not agreeing to that. We are saying no, we have to come to office. So somewhere, somehow, but ultimately the conclusion is that if you want to come to office, you can come to office. But I won't sit at home. This is the main conclusion. So कहीं ना कहीं मेल ईगो थोड़ा सा तो आ गया इसमें ये बात तो मैं बोलूँगा. Coming to Divya. Okay, what do you have to say on this?
हर मर्द चाहता है कि मतलब कि मैं काम करूं, घर में ना बैठूं, खाली ना रहूं, ऐसा टाइप का. और मेरी वाइफ जो है वो काम भी करे, बाहर बिजनेस भी करे और घर में जो काम रहता है वो भी करे, दोनों काम ऐसे बोलते हैं.
If they like nourish child, they don't nourish in this way. They nourish in a बेटा कि दोनों को मिलकर चलाना है और आपको भी इक्वली वो करना है. Be independent. Be independent. The main thing is that if they don't tell a girl that you also have to work, if they don't say this, then at least they say this thing. Then बेटा be independent.
जो अपन के पूर्वजों ने जिस सिस्टम को बनाया है, ये तो सर कंफर्म है कि हमसे ज़्यादा होशियार हमारे पूर्वज. फ्रॉम दैट लॉजिक आई वांट टू कंक्लूड दैट in a family the boys should do the market things or the business things and the girls should do the household.
Something is common that the boys they don't want to sit at home, whether you take it as a gender equality or you take it as a male ego. I don't want to comment on that, but they don't want to sit at home. If they are ready to give their wives a better place in the office, one cabin, but they don't want to sit at home. So this is the conclusion, and we'll come again. Till then, keep watching our channel.